bug spray?
Yeah. Hey. 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 Shawty make that ass clap, she don't need no applause. High fashion, like Goyard, G-Wagon, all the road.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can tell by the title, I blindly purchased perfumes. Lately, I've been on this perfume kick. I'm trying to get more into my grown woman perfumes. I was watching my good sis AllureLashae on YouTube, and I finally went ahead and watched her fragrance video, her perfume collection video, and I purchased, I made a whole list of the perfumes that I wanted that she recommended, which is a very long list. I also watched a couple other people's perfume recommendation videos, and I picked up two. I picked up one that AllureLashae recommended. I picked up another one that another YouTuber picked up in her vlog. Dana Alexia picked up a perfume in one of her vlogs, and she loved it. I've heard a lot of other people recommend the same perfume, so I picked up that one. Yeah, I decided to start with those two. I'm kind of nervous because, again, I did blindly purchase these perfumes. I haven't smelled them before or anything, so I went ahead and opened up the box, and I'm just gonna dive right in because I can't wait to smell these. Before I get into these, I did purchase these from FragNet.com. FragNet.com is amazing, by the way. So they sent me a Banana Republic sample, perfume sample. This one is malachite. I don't know if you can see that, which I'm really excited about because I was looking for perfume samples to try like this size so that I wasn't blindly purchasing any other perfumes, but I can't find a good site for that, and I can't get this open. I just want to smell it. Oh, that smells amazing. It smells like soap. Really clean. I like that. Alright, and then they just send me basically a packing slip with my order number and what I ordered on here, what I'm supposed to have in my box. I have no clue what this is. Is it paint or perfume? They sent me a thank you card with a coupon code on it. And it has their social media on it, and then it just had a 25% off code on it. They sent me this Prescription Youth Skin Labs booklet. Has a $50 off coupon code. I guess this is skincare. And then I have from Symmetry. Don't know how to pronounce this, but it a bunch of perfume tabs in here. There's 6 for women, and then I'm assuming, yeah, the ones in the back are for men. Now let's get into the actual perfumes that I purchased. This one was recommended by, it was recommended by AllureLashae. This is the Moschino Gold. I got the 100 milliliter bottle. I really hope this smells good because nobody wants to spend as much money as I have spent on these perfumes, and they don't smell good. So this is the AllureLashae recommendation. This is the Moschino Gold again. The Eau de Perfume. How does it open? Oh, I forgot lip sticker. So this is what it looks like. This bottle is so cute. Like I don't know. I don't really know how I feel about the okay, so you twist the top. It has a little card. It just says Moschino. And then it shows you how to twist the cap off so that you can actually use it. That's what it looks like. And then it just kind of sits in this little black velvet box. This is so cute. Oh, the back is adorable. So the back just says like Moschino Gold, Perfume, works great at work, on a date, to a formal event, much more. Let's smell it. This smells like the top smells like mosquito spray. What the hell? Did I buy bug spray? Okay, I'm gonna get some paper to spray it on because I'm not spraying this on me if it smells like fucking mosquito spray. Maybe it dries down differently. Okay. All right, cool. That's a lot better. I don't know what it smells like though. It smells so good. Maybe it's the dry down. Yeah, it's the dry down. I'm gonna go ahead and Google this floral fruity fragrance has a blend of grapefruit, orange, pear, white peach, mango, jasmine, lily of the valley, sandalwood, vanilla, and musk notes. Okay, so the bug spray is definitely the musk, but it's only for a second. And it's really just in the top. So, I don't know. It smells really good though. Warm and spicy. That's the fragrance family. It says on Sephora. Okay, so I would recommend this perfume. Scent type warm and sweet gourmands. Keynotes yellow, mandarin orper, jasmine, and vanilla. Sephora says gold fresh couture. I'm gonna put it on the screen. Fragrance is an ode to femininity, intoxicating and conveying delicious sensations, exemplifying sparkling elegance and intoxicating sensuality. Moschino Gold Fresh Couture is the third surprising edition of the iconic cleaning spray bottle. The dry down is a lot better than the first initial spray or sprays. So if you try this and you don't like it at first, give it a minute. Just give it a chance. I really want to know what it does on my skin, because you know some perfumes don't mix well with your skin, and so yeah. But that was the Moschino Gold. I really love this. Shout out to Aaliyah's Face for recommending this, sis. I love this so much. Now to the one I'm really excited about, the Versace Crystal Noir. I went ahead and picked the Versace Crystal Noir because Dana Alexia on YouTube picked it up. She said amazing things about it. I'm not sure. I don't know if I remember. I don't know if I remember Aaliyah's Face saying that she picked it up I don't remember this one being in her collection, but I know she said that she picked a perfume up that she wanted for her friend that was highly recommended, but she didn't get it for herself because she got something else. This is what the box looks like. I heard the reviews on this said, how do I open this? The reviews on this said that it is more of a mature scent. And like I said, I'm trying to get more into my grown women scents. And the bottle is so adorable. Yeah. Okay, so the top doesn't smell like anything. I can't smell it. I'm gonna do paper. Some paper, and we're going to fold it and then spray. Oh my god, yes. This one smells fucking amazing. Why am I doing so much cursing? I'm excited because this one smells so good. Oh, you aren't gonna need much of this at all either. This perfume is so sexy. This one again is more so if you like more mature fragrances. It's not sweet at all. I don't really gravitate towards sweet perfume like that. I don't have a problem with them, but it's lower on my perfume choices. Let's look up the info real quick. See what Sephora has to say. Okay. Versace Crystal Noir is also a warm and spicy scent. It's the scent type is, the fragrance family is warm and spicy. The scent type is warm florals. The keynotes are ginger, gardenia, and amber. Description is a fragrance for the true Versace woman. She's effortlessly sexy, confident, and loves fashion, sumptuousness, eccentricity. The fragrance is a magical perfume, sheer and sensual at the same time. A floral oriental scent. It's absolutely feminine, gentle, and leaves a lasting impression. Yeah, so again, the fragrances that I picked up, the perfumes that I picked up are more grown womany. They're for people that don't like the really sweet scents. These two perfumes were some of the best currently right now, the best purchase I've made in a while as far as like anything goes, clothes, jewelry, hair, anything. I really blindly purchased perfumes, and I ended up loving them. It's hot and I was not about to put on makeup today. If you are in the market for new perfumes, these are definitely must-haves. If you like scents like the ones I explained, if I would probably also put more information about the perfumes on the screen, because I really just wanted to. I was really excited about these perfumes, so my explanations might not be that great because I'm not a perfume connoisseur, not yet anyway. So I'll put more information about like the different notes and scent types and all that on the screen as I explain it, and you can go from there. But I smell amazing right now. I smell so good. So thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope that if you purchase these perfumes, I hope that you love them as much as I do. Thank you guys for watching. Again, thumbs up this video, hit that subscribe button down below if you aren't already subscribed to my channel, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.